Hi, my name is Amit Chopra. I am Managing Director of Aico Foods Limited, and we are one of the exhibitors at CMPL 2025.
So, how was your experience in CMPL Mumbai so far?
This year's experience was fantastic, extraordinary. We participated last year as well. It was a lukewarm response for us. We were just a startup at that time, but this year, the experience has been out of the world, I would say. We didn't anticipate so much footfall and such a quality crowd, visitors. The opportunities, as they have been saying, seem amazing. So, I have made up my mind to participate for next year. The products that we deal in are plant based, with focus being on fortification using plant protein. And, the 3 days that we have spent with industry visitors, everybody wants healthier versions with higher protein, less of carbs, more on health and functional ingredients. And that's where we are innovating as well. Fantastic.